Hello. Welcome, dear friends, dear fellows, on Tech Tips channel, Technology Tips channel. Now we are back. Please, before we start, please do subscribe, do share, do like, do comment. Now we are going to show you how to create more than 1,000 Gmail accounts in one click. Maybe you have been facing a challenge of creating at once many Gmail accounts. Now the Tech Tips channel is the response, is coming to show you how to do it in 1 minute. Only a few time to do it. You need to watch this video from the starting at the end of this video. Please do not miss our videos. Subscribe again. Now we're going to follow some steps. Follow well to create a big number of Gmail accounts you want in one click. Now we go. First, you have to create a new Gmail account. Do not use your existing Gmail account, please. Note this. Do not use your existing Gmail account. Click new, create new one. Now we go. We go to create a new one, a new Gmail. We start with this exercise. Very simple. We go. You put your password you want. You confirm. Next. They are asking your phone number. You fill in. Your next should be the valid one, because they are going to send the verification code. Now it already sent. Check your SMS from your phone. The phone number you provided above. Copy it. Now you verify. They are asking some options you may skip. But if you want, we may fill month, day of month. You take random dates. We do next. This you skip this. You agree the privacy and the terms. You click I agree. Now come to open our new Gmail account first, as first condition, first requirement, first step to follow. After this, we are going to log in this new email. Now we are in box. Now it's okay. After completing this step, the second step will be to log in in website called SUBCRIBING.us. SUBCRIBING.us. Now we are going to open it. You copy it to your toolbar. You click, then it is open. Now, as you are new member, you go this left side, you click register. Now, to register, they are asking us a Gmail. You go there, you copy the Gmail, they open the Gmail account. We come, we fill in, we put the password for that email that we have created recently. Remember, do not use your existing, not this. Okay, we go. You create only the new Gmail account for this purpose of just creating many email accounts as you wish, as you want. They are down on SUBCRIBING.us. After completing the password, down there a box that containing the invitation code. Leave it. We do not need it. Okay. We go. Next step is to copy this verification capture. The system is requesting us to verify if we are not robots. You copy this code is R, the red one of RGAMR. You copy, you click register. Now you are registered. They are telling us successfully registered. Okay. Now you are going to log in this pro.us. Login. Okay, the page appears looking like this. That's good. Okay. Now the next step is to go looking the tools that is going to help us to create many more emails. Now it is free tools. You go to the left side there, free tools. You click. Let's click. Okay, the page is giving us those options. Good. Now we go down. We search for option of creating many Gmail accounts in once. Okay, here Gmail.trick number 7 here on my screen. It is my number 7. General my Gmail's account. Click on gmail.trick. Okay. Okay, we have clicked on gmail.trick. Now it gives this page. The page again is asking us for a Gmail. You go back and where your Gmail account is located, then you copy it, your Gmail account. Remember, it is the new opened one, not your existing, not this. Okay, we copy this box. Then the next is they are asking quantity, to specify the quantity, the numbers of Gmail's account you want to create automatically. Now, let's specify 1,000. You may even write 2,000. The option, you do not touch on this option. You leave it as it is. Then you submit. Okay, those are 1,000 emails created automatically. This is very wonderful. Results equal 1,000 Gmail account. All of these immediately created in one click. Okay. The step number 7 is to specify have done it. The quantity of emails, accounts, number you want to create in one click. Those are emails created automatically. Now we are going to test these emails created to see if really they are working, they are functioning. We are going to first send the correspondence email, the email to one of these emails recently created. We log in Gmail to send a message, send an email message to these emails. Now, okay, we are sending the email titled greetings to see if it is going to reach to the destination. I've sent. Now we are going to log in using that email. This is the one of the new email we took randomly. We're going to use it while logging in Gmail. Remember the password you put in. They are asking to confirm. Click confirm. Move on. Okay, now we are in the box. Functioning. Good. And well, please subscribe again, share, like this video, or comment, or give us a question that you may have in technology related issues. But there to respond to you immediately, leave your problem, your question in the comment section or any other help you want. Please again subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.